Have you ever wondered how Netflix suggests movies that match your taste so accurately? It's a question that can really stir the curiosity pot. Let's take a moment to appreciate the invisible hands at work here. Data science. It's everywhere, from your online purchases to your smart home devices, orchestrating a symphony of convenience. The secret behind this magical recommendation is data science research. Data science research is not a spell from a wizard's book. It might sound like a cryptic term shrouded in mystery, but don't worry, we're here to shed some light on it. At its core, data science research is an interdisciplinary field that uses a variety of scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems. But what's the goal? Well, it's to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Let's break that down a bit, shall we? Let's start with the term structured and unstructured data. In the world of data science, structured data refers to the type of data that is organized and easily understood by machine language. Think of it like a well-organized library where every book has its place. On the other hand, unstructured data is less organized and not as easily interpreted by machines. This is like a room full of scattered books. Now onto the term extract knowledge and insights. This is the process of analyzing the data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. It's like being a detective, combing through clues to solve a mystery, except the clues are data and the mystery is a business problem or research question. The tools of the trade for data science research are scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems. These include statistical analysis, predictive modeling, machine learning algorithms, and more. They serve as the magnifying glass and decoder ring for our data detective. And why is this important? Because in today's data-driven world, the ability to decipher and understand data is like having a superpower. It allows us to make informed decisions, predict future trends, and even solve complex problems. So, when you think about data science research, think of it as a process of uncovering hidden patterns and insights from a vast sea of data. Whether it's structured or unstructured, the goal is to make sense of it all and use that knowledge to drive progress forward. In essence, data science research is about finding hidden patterns and making sense out of massive amounts of data. Data science research is like baking a cake. It involves several steps. Imagine you're in your favorite apron, ready to create a masterpiece. Let's get started. First, we need to define our recipe, or in data science terms, the research question. This is the foundation of our cake. What kind of cake are we aiming to bake? Chocolate? Vanilla? Similarly, in data science research, we need to identify the problem we're trying to solve. Is it predicting stock prices? Or perhaps identifying trends in climate change? The key here is to be clear and specific. A well-defined question will guide the entire research process. Now that we have our recipe, it's time to gather our ingredients, or in other words, data. Data can come from a variety of sources: databases, surveys, even social media feeds. A good research project requires high-quality, relevant data. Just like you wouldn't use spoiled eggs in your cake, you wouldn't use irrelevant or flawed data in your research. Once we've collected our ingredients, it's time for preparation. This involves cleaning and preparing the data. In the same way that we need to sift flour to remove lumps, we need to clean our data to remove errors and inconsistencies. This might involve dealing with missing values, removing duplicates, or correcting errors. It's a meticulous process, but absolutely crucial. After all, nobody wants a gritty cake or faulty research results. Now comes the exciting part: mixing our ingredients or analyzing and interpreting the data. This is where we apply statistical or machine learning techniques to uncover patterns and insights. Just like mixing our cake batter to the right consistency, we need to carefully analyze our data to ensure accurate results. This step is all about making sense of our data and drawing meaningful conclusions. Finally, it's time to present our masterpiece, or in data science terms, present the results. This could be a detailed report, a presentation, or a visual data dashboard. In the same way that we want our cake to look appealing, we want our results to be easily understood and impactful. A well-presented result not only communicates the findings effectively, but also helps in decision-making. So, there you have it. From defining the research question, gathering and preparing data, to analyzing and presenting results, each step is important. Just like baking a cake, each ingredient, each measurement, each step in the process contributes to the final product. Remember, the best cakes aren't made in a rush. They require patience, precision, and practice. The same goes for data science research. It's a process that requires time, attention to detail, and continuous learning. But the reward at the end, be it a delicious cake or groundbreaking research, is absolutely worth it. Each step is crucial in baking the perfect data science research cake. You may ask, why is data science research important? Well, let's dive into that question. Data science research is the unsung hero of our modern world. It's the secret sauce behind the scenes, powering everything from your favorite streaming services to the medical breakthroughs that save lives. Let's take a look at healthcare, for instance. Here, data science research is a game changer. It's used to predict disease outbreaks, analyze patient data for personalized treatments, and even to develop new drugs. Imagine a world where diseases are predicted before they spread, where treatments are tailored to the individual, not the masses. That's the power of data science research in healthcare. Now let's shift gears to finance. Here, data science research is the crystal ball of the industry. It's used to predict stock market trends, assess credit risk, and detect fraudulent transactions. It's like having a superpower that allows financial institutions to see into the future, making informed decisions that affect economies on a global scale. And let's not forget about entertainment. Ever wonder how Netflix seems to know exactly what show you'll binge watch next? That's data science research at work. It analyzes your viewing habits, compares them with millions of others, and then recommends shows you're likely to enjoy. It's the wizard behind the curtain, creating personalized experiences that keep us coming back for more. But it's not just about improving services or creating efficiencies. Data science research is also key to solving some of our most pressing problems. Think climate change, poverty, or global health issues. By analyzing vast amounts of data, researchers can identify patterns, make predictions, and devise solutions that were previously out of reach. So you see, data science research is more than just number crunching. It's about making sense of the world around us, making informed decisions, and solving problems on a scale we've never seen before. It's about creating a better, smarter world for all of us. Data science research is the backbone of intelligent decision-making in today's data-driven world. Data science research isn't confined to laboratories or research centers. It's a fascinating field that has far-reaching implications in our day-to-day lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, data science is silently working behind the scenes to make our lives better, easier, and more efficient. Let's start with recommendation systems. Ever wondered how Netflix knows precisely what show you'd like to watch next? Or how Amazon seems to know what you need before you even realize it yourself? That's data science at work. Through complex algorithms and machine learning models, these platforms analyze your past behavior, preferences, and even the behavior of others with similar tastes to suggest what you might like. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your preferences down to the last detail. Now let's move to speech recognition. If you've ever used Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, you've experienced the magic of speech recognition. This technology uses data science to understand and respond to human speech. It's not just about recognizing words, but understanding the context, the accents, the nuances of language, and even the intent behind the words. Data science research in this field is continually evolving to make these virtual assistants more accurate and more human-like. Next up is image recognition, which has numerous applications, particularly in the field of healthcare. For instance, data science is used to develop algorithms that can identify specific patterns in medical images, such as X-rays or MRI scans. These algorithms can detect abnormalities or signs of diseases, sometimes even before a human eye can. This can lead to early diagnosis and treatment, potentially saving lives. Lastly, let's talk about fraud detection. With the increase in digital transactions, fraud has become a significant concern. But thanks to data science, banks and financial institutions can now identify and prevent fraudulent activities. They use machine learning models to analyze patterns and detect anomalies in transaction data. For instance, if a credit card is used in 2 different countries within a short time, it could be a case of fraud. The system flags such transactions, preventing potential financial losses. In each of these examples, vast amounts of data are collected, analyzed, and interpreted to make informed decisions or predictions. These real-world applications are just the tip of the iceberg. Data science research is being applied in countless other fields, including traffic management, climate modeling, sports analytics, and even predicting election results. So the next time you're binge-watching your favorite show, or asking Siri for the weather forecast, or making a purchase based on Amazon's recommendation, remember this: data science research is silently powering numerous aspects of your daily life. The future of data science research is as vast as the universe. As we gaze into the horizon, what we see is an exciting landscape filled with limitless possibilities. The seeds of this field, planted not so long ago, have grown into a robust tree, and the branches are spreading far and wide. Let's talk about the future prospects of data science research. The demand for data scientists is increasing at an unprecedented rate. Why, you might ask? It's because every industry, every sector, every organization is generating data. And they're not just producing data, they're drowning in it. They need skilled professionals who can dive into this ocean of information and come up with pearls of insights. That's where data scientists come in. But it's not just about meeting the current demand. The field of data science research is also evolving at a rapid pace. With advancements in technology, the tools and techniques used in data science are becoming more sophisticated. We're seeing the rise of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning, which are pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve with data. Consider the potential for advancements in the field. Currently, we're scratching the surface of what data science can do. But imagine a world where we can predict natural disasters with pinpoint accuracy, where we can cure diseases even before they manifest, where we can solve complex social issues using data. This is the world that data science research is striving to create. The future of data science research also holds promise for a more inclusive and equitable world. With the right data and the right analysis, we can uncover systemic biases, identify gaps in services, and work towards solutions that benefit everyone. Data science research has the potential to not just inform decisions, but to transform societies. And let's not forget that the future of data science research is also about nurturing the next generation of data scientists. It's about creating an environment where curiosity is rewarded, where innovation is encouraged, and where learning never stops. Data science research is not just a trend, it's a revolution shaping our future. As we continue to explore this vast universe of data science, we're not just looking for answers, we're also discovering new questions. And that's what makes this journey so exciting. To wrap it all up, data science research is a captivating field with endless possibilities. It's a domain that's as wide and varied as the data it deals with. From the basics we've covered, remember that data science research is all about extracting meaningful insights from raw data. It's an intricate process that involves data collection, cleaning, visualization, and interpretation. Just think of data as a vast treasure chest. The treasure being the valuable insights that can help businesses make better decisions, governments formulate effective policies, and even individuals lead better lives. And the key to this treasure? Well, that's where data science research comes in. We've also discussed the importance of data science research. In this digital age, data is being generated at an unprecedented rate. Every click, every swipe, every interaction on the internet leaves a digital footprint. And it's through data science research that we can make sense of this massive information flow. Imagine a world without data science research. We'd be drowning in data without any means of using it effectively. But thanks to data science research, we can not only stay afloat but also navigate the vast ocean of data with confidence and precision. And let's not forget the real-world applications of data science research. It's everywhere. From healthcare, where it's used to predict disease outbreaks and improve patient care, to the entertainment industry, where it's used to tailor content recommendations to individual preferences. It's also in the finance sector, where it's used to detect fraudulent transactions, and in e-commerce, where it helps in predicting customer behavior. The future of data science research? It's as bright as it can get. With advancements in technology, the volume and variety of data are only set to increase. And with it, the opportunities for data science research. We can look forward to more sophisticated tools and techniques, more accurate predictions, and more impactful applications. So, there you have it. That's data science research in a nutshell. It's a fascinating field that's constantly evolving and has the potential to transform the world as we know it. So, whether you're a student embarking on a career in data science, a business owner looking to leverage data for growth, or just someone curious about the world of data, remember this. Data science research is not just about dealing with numbers. It's about uncovering stories, predicting trends, and making a difference. Next time when Netflix suggests a movie, remember, it's the magic of data science research.